This is Dave from Riva Racing, and this is the amazing Riva Wet Sounds audio upgrade system for 2022 and newer Yamaha FX Wave Runners. We developed this system with Wet Sounds, the leader in marine audio. It basically allows you to replace your middle-of-the-road factory audio system with these plug-and-play pods that feature huge 8-inch coaxial marine speakers driven by a powerful 400-watt amplifier. The audio quality is next level. Much better bass, much better mid-range, and a significant increase in volume. Again, this system is for 2022 and newer Yamaha FX models. If you already have audio on your FX, this is a plug-and-play installation. It takes about 1 hour to install the new speaker pods. If your unit does not have audio, we do offer an auxiliary harness kit that comes with all the controls and everything needed, and that's about a 3-hour installation. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation. Let's take a look in the box. First, we have the detailed installation instructions, which are accessed by QR code. Rubberized mounting pads, which go between the speaker pods and your hull. Marine-grade stainless steel hardware. And of course, these huge custom speaker pods, which house the 8-inch coaxial Wet Sound speakers. Now, inside this speaker pod is a 400-watt digital processing amplifier that drives these speakers. It blows away the factory 100-watt amp that comes with your factory audio system. These pods plug right into your factory wiring harness with these factory-style connectors. Very easy 1-hour installation. The Riva Wet Sounds audio system delivers a huge improvement in both audio quality and volume. It also looks amazing on your Wave Runner. Available now through Riva Racing and the Riva Dealer Network.